Good morning. Today I'm very refreshed. Human need a sleep. Yesterday I really like a zombie, so I don't know the video was good, but today I can talk very good, very smooth from my bottom of heart. Hi. And I'm excited now to join here Stochas kitchen. Everybody doing like a professional. It's good. I like these vibes.
Ich bin Kochschule gegangen. Ich bin zuerst schon in Säure Binium in Sandetauferstraße gemacht und nachher habe ich mich entschieden, die Kochlehre umzuheben. Bin noch nach Obrecken gegangen. Zum Vorteil haben wir es, wir ganz eine tolle Küchenmeister haben, Chefköche haben und auch eine ganz tolle Ausbildung auch, was Küche anbelangt. Und ich glaube, sehr hat die Basis habe ich geschaffen.
Das, was du heute machst, ist ja irgendwo, wie darfst du es bezeichnen? Das Traditionelle mit dem modernen, internationalen kombinieren.
Meine Küche ist wie ich bin, nicht einmal heimatverbunden natürlich, nicht mit den heimischen Produkten, aber haben halt gerne außen geschaut und das Außen geschaut und alle mitten außen und ein wenig gewürzt dann natürlich unsere Küche.
Cut a lot. How much? It's 10 kilo, I think. But I need to squeeze this, so then I need to make a kilo. So we use a lot of onions to caramelize. Yes. This batter made by flour, egg, seaweed juice, seaweed broth.
In one day in Amsterdam, how many bars?
How many bowls? A lot.
A lot, 100, 200.
Yeah.
Kind of. Because if people say 8 piece, quickly gone. 8 piece.
8 piece, 8 piece.
Yeah.
Ja.
You actually create balls.
Amazing.
Erika is a very champion in preparing it.
Yes.
Where do you guys usually live and work?
So she's very good. So everybody first is a very practice to do this. So she's a master. Amazing. This is just made and inside is super melty, so I can use 2 sticks.
2 sticks.
Be careful. I think if you eat now, but you can try, but it's good for video. But
Thank you.
Het zat ik een oude kist niet van dit blauwe.
Or you use fork? Be careful.
Wartet mir ein bisschen.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Und nach was schmeckt es?
Gut. Voll gut.
Nach was schmeckt es, Manuel? Erzähl mir.
Mega gut. Noch nie gehabt. Ganz speziell. Sehr geile Sauce oben drauf. Oktopus drinnen. Mega gut. Mega fresh. Also, lass sie probieren. Mega. Ja, mega gut. Also, noch nie gegessen. Also, das ist auch für mich als Koch ist allem cool. Irgendeine Sache essen, was ich noch nie in meinem Leben probiert habe. Ist allem eine Bereicherung. Und wo ich dazu gekommen ich habe einen guten Freund, den Florian aus St. Johann. Ich filme, auch wir arbeiten oft zusammen und hat er gesagt, du hast einen Kontakt mit Jossi von Osaka Ball aus Amsterdam, kennt er gut. Und ob wir da nicht kennen, ob wir es miteinander machen, habe ich gesagt, wir, logisch als Stochas, sind alle bereit wieder für neue Sachen und neue Gerichte und neue Typen für Kochen und für Küchenstils kennenzulernen. Ich gesagt, das fädeln wir hin und dann haben wir Dank an den Florian, der was mir da ganz fest unterstützt hat, den Kontakt hergestellt hat und jetzt haben wir sie da. Deswegen, mega geil, geil.
You will like Jana,
Welcome to Japan.
Cool.
How's it? Good? Nice.
Okay. Jetzt muss ich angucken.
Nice. Also cool, ja.
Verlost muss ich sicher.
Ja, Mashallah.
Real sweet beef.
Yeah?
You can put sugar.
Okay, cool.
It makes fine.
Matcha chocolate.
What are you making?
Yes, karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Street food, so nice. Thank you.
What is this?
This is for curry. I use always, so I bring it to here.
Japanese import.
Yes. You see this tanita? I bring it from Japan. You can pre-size very good. Also 0.0 gram. This is very sensitive. Good one. For a chef, recommend.
There's a brisket. So in the smoker. It's nice, eh? Yeah.
I'm cutting the beef, the brisket, for the ramen. The smoked brisket.
For me, everything curious, yes. I'm the foodie, so I want to try more and more. But first, I need to make everyone surprised for Japanese food.
These are the dumplings from our region, from the mountain, from the valley, with cheese, speck, and other good stuff from the mountain. My name is Patrick, I'm from Südtirol, and I'm cook here in Stochas.
My name is Thomas and I'm cook here in the Stochas and for the winter season. My favorite dish now from the Japanese, the ramen that I tasted. Yeah, my favorite South Korean food, I think it's knödel. Knödel is always good. You can eat it every day.
So you say everybody needs to try knödel?
Yes, knödel is perfect.
My favorite dish are mushrooms, very tasty mushroom. You can knödel with dumplings with mushroom and other stuff with mushroom, pasta, everything.
Today, full house, full bouquet, and also it's now covered in a restaurant, so we use a bar. We are happy. Thank you so much to everyone. Osaka style. Everything okay? 本当？あ、ありがとう。Everything okay?
Yes.
本当？Nice. Good?
Very good.
あ、本当？あ、nice, nice. Happy to see reaction.
Thank you.
ありがとう。Did you enjoy? Nice. Here's how many pieces you need to finalize? Everything cool. There. And we are, I think, good result now. Time running so fast. Good. It means we are in a good zone.
Yes, where did you learn to make ramen?
I learned in Japan, yes. I learned from so many sensei, a lot of teachers.
Okay.
Then now I have this space, yeah.
Yeah, good. Osaka Ball! Ah, this was perfect. Very nice, thank you.
Did you have a lot of guests?
Ah, it's fully booked tonight.
How was the reaction?
Very nice, very nice. I see only big eyes and happy faces.
Nice.
The first day was very excited, very much of work and very new things, very new dishes and much new ingredients, and we are very happy that this first day was so amazing for all.
Today it was very busy, but it was very nice. Everybody very friendly and really professional cooks. So we have different nations, but the cooks everywhere the same.
So, Go-san, how was the first day?
Really nice. Had a lot of experience, a lot of new ingredients, really nice people, and awesome. Really nice day today.
It was a very nice evening. Everything was perfect. The house was full. The people were super amazed. Everybody was curious about the Japanese food, and when they tasted the food, they were like, "Oh, what is this? What is that?" It was super funny to see the faces. The taste was very new, very interesting. Curious to see the reactions next days.
It was so tasty. とても美味しいです。